Hello. This video is on how to find the length of time it will take for your money to double and what does that mean. So on the right of your screen, we have the questions as they will appear in Canvas. And on the left of your screen, we have the notes as they are available to you in Canvas. And we have open the very first page of the notes. And the very first page of the notes, the very last entry says, to find how long it will take for your money to double when compounded annually. And the expression is 72 divided by the interest rate, and do not use the percent symbol when you calculate that. So 72 divided by the interest rate. So if we read question 1, it says find out how many years it will take to double your money when putting money in a savings account that is compounded annually. So that tells us compounded annually. This is the right expression. And it says that Keisha Travis put $4,500 in a savings account that compounds annually at a rate of 3%. How many years will it take Keisha's money to double? And at that time, Keisha's account will have a balance of blank. So we're going to take the amount of money that Keisha has, which is $4,500. No, we're not. We're going to take the percentage rate, which is what's important. We're going to take the percentage rate, which is 3%. And we're going to take 72 divided by 3%. So we're going to grab our calculator, and we're going to go 72 divided by 3. And we're not going to use the percent symbol because the notes say do not use the percent symbol. So we're simply going to take 72 divided by 3 and hit enter. And we get 24. So when we pull down this menu, we pick 24 years. So when Keisha put $4,500 in her savings account and she leaves it there for 24 years, she'll have twice as much money at the end of those 24 years than she started with. In other words, her money is going to double. So she began with $4,500 and she doubles it, she will have $9,000 in the account. So the answer to this question is $9,000. Remember, you have to have the dollar sign, you have to have the comma between the 9,000 and the 0 hundreds, and you have to have the decimal point between the dollars and the cents, and you have to have the 00 for cents. So it has to be typed in exactly like that, $9,000. And it took 24 years. Again, we take 72 divided by the percent number, and then the amount of money times 2. So when we go to do the next problem says Mohammed put $5,250 in a savings account that compounds annually at a rate of 9%. How many years will it take for Mohammed's money to double? So how many years it will take, the rule says 72 divided by the interest rate. So we're going to go 72 divided by, and we're going to check over here, the interest rate is 9. So we're going to use 9. If you want, you can double check. The directions say do not use the percent symbol. So we're going to take 72 divided by 9, and we are going to get 8. So Mohammed's money will double in 8 years. So if Mohammed puts $5,250 in a bank account, and then in a savings account, and then 8 years later he returns, he will have doubled his money. So he will have taken $5,250 and it will have doubled. So there's another $5,250 in there. So he will have $10,500. He will have $10,500. And again, you must have the dollar sign. You must have the comma between the 10,000 and the 500. You must have the decimal between dollars and cents. And you must have to have 0 cents. So again, it is the rule of 72. The rule of 72 is 72 divided by whatever number is here will tell you how long it will take in years to double your money. And then the amount of money doubled will tell you how much money is there after that amount of time. So pause the video, try number 3, turn the video back on, and see if we get the same thing. For number 3, Dakota Blackfoot put $3,500 in a savings account that compounds annually at a rate of 6%. How many years will it take Dakota's money to double? At the end of that time, there will be blank dollars in the savings account. So in the notes, it tells us 72 divided by the interest rate, do not use the percent symbol. So 72 divided by Dakota's interest rate is 6%. So we're going to put 6 and we're going to get the number 12. So it will take 12 years for Dakota's money to double. But in 12 years, when Dakota comes back and opens up his savings account, he's going to have twice as much money because it's going to have doubled what he put in there, and it grew to that same size, so doubled its amount. So $3,500 times 2. Or you could take $3,500 and $3,500. That would be what he started with and what it grew to. And so now he has $7,000. However you choose that, but you have to have a dollar sign. You have to have the 7, the comma between the thousands, and a decimal between the dollars and the cents. And we hopefully, I don't know, let's see. Do we get them all right? Boom, boom, boom. Yay, 3 out of 3, 100%. We are rock stars. So that is how you find how many years it will take your money to double if it is in a compounded annually savings account, and how much money there will be after that time frame. So that, my friends, is how you do those questions each and every time. Good luck. I know you can do it.